Top 3 best car insurance in Michigan for seniors.
In Michigan, car insurance for seniors isn't just about finding a lower bill.
It's about avoiding the policy that looks fine until a claim happens and suddenly you're stuck with delays, confusing coverage, or a repair process that feels like a second job. Here's the twist: the biggest difference is often one choice inside your coverage, not the company name on the card. I'll tell you exactly what that choice is at the end. How I picked these 3. For seniors, I focused on claim calm, not flashy discounts. You want a company that's easy to reach, clear about what happens next, and consistent when repairs or medical paperwork get involved. I also prioritized Michigan PIP because this state's rules can make coverage decisions feel more technical than in other places. And finally, I looked at how well each option works for real senior life, like lower mileage, predictable driving routines, and the need for help that feels human. Rank 3. Progressive, the flexible control option. If you like managing everything online and you want a policy you can adjust without calling 3 times, Progressive is a strong contender. It often fits seniors who want control over coverage settings and payments, especially if your driving habits change and you don't want to be paying for a life you no longer live. This is a good match if you're comfortable with apps and you like a clean, self-serve experience. The honest nuance is that self-serve can feel a bit lonely during a complicated claim. If you want someone to walk you through decisions, you may prefer an agent-led style, but if you want quick policy changes and clear digital management, it's a practical pick. Rank 2. State Farm, the local agent safety net. If you value having a real person to call, State Farm stands out. For many seniors, that agent relationship is the difference between feeling confident and feeling unsure. It helps when you're comparing coverages, updating a vehicle, or trying to understand how a claim will actually work in Michigan. This is especially useful if you prefer guided decisions and you want the comfort of a familiar process. The honest nuance is simple: the experience depends on the agent. A great agent makes everything smoother and clearer. A weak one can feel like extra friction. If you want human support that doesn't feel rushed, this is a strong middle choice. Rank 1. Auto owners, the Michigan-friendly confidence pick. For many seniors in Michigan, auto owners often feels like the most steady, coverage-first choice. The advantage is the overall set it up right and it stays solid vibe, especially when you work with an independent agent who can tailor the policy to how you actually drive now. This is ideal if you want fewer surprises, a policy that feels intentionally built, and a claims experience that doesn't turn into a guessing game. The honest nuance is that it rewards clarity. You get the best result when you're specific about your current driving routine, where the car is parked, and what protections truly matter to you. If you want calm confidence more than clever marketing, this is the top pick. The one choice that matters most in Michigan. Now, the detail I promised, and it's the fastest way to avoid regret. In Michigan, your personal injury protection, often called PIP, is a core decision that can shape how protected you feel after an accident. The best company won't save you if your PIP choice doesn't match your reality. So here's the real takeaway. Progressive is strong if you want flexible digital control. State Farm is strong if you want local guidance and a person to call. Auto owners wins if you want the most Michigan-shaped, steady experience for seniors. But whichever you choose, make the PIP decision deliberately, because that's the line that can turn a bad day into a manageable one. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.